Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a 2-ingredient, amazingly effective DIY face mask that completely transformed my skin, my acne, blemishes, breakouts, so I'm sure it will do the same for you. Also, my website is always listed below with my ebook, free secrets, and live sessions. So the first natural ingredient you'll be needing is oatmeal, rolled oats to be exact. I use McCann's Irish oatmeal. It's a little pricier, but it's organic, simple. Of course, you want to make sure there's no flavor, just simply rolled oats. And I'll be going over all the benefits later. Then you're going to be needing baking soda. You guys know I use this in so many videos. I'm almost out, but just make sure it's pure baking soda. Now, since you guys know my DIYs are so pure and simple, the last thing you'll be needing is a small bowl to mix it in and some water. So to start off, we are going to be taking some of the oatmeal, the rolled oats, and thumbs up this video if you like when I explain the properties of what is in our natural ingredients. So rolled oats contains high antioxidants and something called saponins, which helps remove dirt from the face, skin, undoes damage, and heals inflammation that can be caused by acne, psoriasis, eczema, and naturally helps irritation, which is why it's found in so many facial products. So we're going to go ahead and take 2 tablespoons of this oatmeal and place it in the bowl. Now to activate the antioxidants and saponins, we are going to go ahead and add some warm to hot water. And I'm going to be using about 5 tablespoons of that warm hot water and then pouring it into the bowl. Then I'm just going to mix it and let it sit for about 3 minutes just so it can extract all of those healing good properties into more of a liquid form. Now, before you set it aside for 3 minutes, you just want to give it a gentle stir, and you're going to notice this white gel-like consistency forming with the water, which is really good. It just means that all of those good properties are extracting into the water. Now it's time for the baking soda, which is a great antiseptic as well as detoxifier for the skin, and this is important for acne, blemishes, or just clogged pores. So you want to add a tablespoon into the oatmeal. Now both of these together are going to work so powerfully to not only heal, dry up, and get rid of your acne, blemishes, and pimples, but it's also going to soothe your skin, moisturize, and create a nice, gentle finish. Now, before I show you the secret techniques to applying this mask, you want to make sure you stir it really well and set it aside for 5 minutes. It needs 5 minutes to create the consistency and powerful formula as a DIY face mask before applying it. Also, comment down below 3-minute mark if you made it this far, and I will show you some love in the comment section. Once it's been 5 minutes, it's time to apply. So a great technique is using a brush. It could be a makeup brush, a mask brush, whatever you have, and you're going to want to apply 3 layers of this mask. Yes, that's right, 3 layers. So go on in there, don't be afraid to put a heaping amount on any areas that you're breaking out especially, and then I like to apply this to my whole face. I find that it also works as a preventative, not just as a solution. So you're going to apply this everywhere and just take your time with it and put 3 coats. Now you want to be patient because this face mask is going to sit on your face for 10 minutes. You can leave it on for 7 to 8, but I find that 10 works the best. So get on your phone, check out my website, book some live sessions with me so we can video chat, as well as my ebook with all of my secrets, morning routines, night routines, self-confidence, and all that fun stuff. So let's wait a little bit so I can show you the phases as well as how to wash it off perfectly and then how to reapply this for the best results. Okay, so at the 3-minute mark, 5-minute mark, you're gonna start seeing it get kind of dry, like you see that white outline on my face, but you wanna make sure everything is dry before washing it off. So fan it out, wait, be patient, whatever you need to do until everything becomes dry, which normally takes me like 10 minutes. A really important step to taking it off is applying some warm water in a washcloth. I am a little more rough with my face, like I like to kind of rub it off, but if you have sensitive skin, definitely do not do this. Just rinse it off with some water, which I'm going to show you. And after you gently remove this face mask, you're going to go ahead anyway and just rinse it out with cool water. After rinsing in all these steps, it is normal for your face or blemishes to look red, but give it about 30 minutes to settle and it will look glowing, fresh, clean, and your acne should be dissipating by the hours. If you don't notice strong results, you can always reapply the mask about 2-3 hours later and you will have great results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on, and I will see you very soon for a new video. Mwah.